Creaform's HandySCAN Aeropack is an easy, fast, and accurate solution for MRO companies. It includes SmartDENT 3D, the first dedicated 3D visualization software on the market, designed for 3D assessments and characterization of dent damages located on aircraft surfaces. Combined with the portable and accurate HandySCAN Black 3D scanner, you get the best solution for hailstorms damage inspection, flap and spoiler maintenance, and more. It offers a guided workflow approach to simplify the measurement extraction of 3D scan data in order to get the dimensions required for the assessments of in-service airplanes. This workflow guides the users through all the necessary steps of calibration, data acquisition, and measurement extraction. The embedded tools automatically detect surface curvature and use a virtual pit gauge to measure surface deformation. The results are presented as a color map with all information required by the industry, such as damage depth, location, distance to near damage and references, and more. Complete reports are exported directly in Excel and contains all the required parameters and measurements. SmartDENT 3D is part of the Creaform's Aeropack, a complete package for surface damage inspection, quality control, and reverse engineering. Get yours now and fasten your whole surface inspection process.